So, you're an Unreal developer and you have a character with the default iPhone facial mocap shape keys, and you just want to know the easiest, fastest workflow to give it new facial animation data. Not a problem. So here's what I do. I'll use motion capture software like QuickMagic to analyze my animation footage twice. The first time I'll use the default girl character to get the facial animations, and the second time I will use the Unreal rig to grab the body data. First we import the facial animation, FBX into Blender, make a new window, go to the text editor, new, and then copy and paste this code provided by Klein that will be in the pinned comment. Now depending on how long your animation is, change this number. My animation is about 600 frames, so I'm setting it around there. Then hit the run button, it will take a few seconds, and it will copy the facial mocap data to your clipboard. Then I'm going to import the body animations into Unreal, search for IK retarget, pick the Unreal 4 to 5 retargeter, then on the right under Asset Browser, pick the body animations that we just imported, export the animation to whatever folder is convenient for you, and now we have an Unreal 5 animation which is perfectly compatible with our Unreal 5 character. And if we open the animation under Curves, right click, paste the facial mocap data down here, and now we copy this code that will also be in the pinned comment, open your skeletal mesh, and then at the top under Curves, right click, paste the blend shape data, you're done. Congratulations! Now when your character runs this animation, the facial animations will also be included. Hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.